Have you ever heard the ocean at 2 a.m.? Because some people say it's not waves. Fishermen, sailors, and night guards around the UK coast report a deep humming sound coming from the sea after midnight. It doesn't sound like wind. It doesn't sound like water. It sounds like something breathing. Recorded underwater microphones have captured low-frequency noises so powerful they travel thousands of miles. Scientists call it natural, but locals call it the voice of the ocean. What really makes that sound at 2 a.m.? To know more, watch the full video on our channel.